Hi, I'm Joe, and I'm with Support Medical Systems here to show you how to install, operate, and troubleshoot a Prius multi-rhythm low air loss alternating pressure mattress system. Before we get to the operation, when installing the mattress, you need to make sure that it is tied down to the frame, minimum 4 points, 2 at the head, 2 at the feet. We recommend 6 points if you can achieve that, but please be sure to make sure that it is tied down to a portion of the frame that does move. If it is tied to a spot that doesn't move, when you operate the bed, it could cause damage to the mattress or the bed. Next, on the inside, whenever installing the mattress, recommend that you unzip the top sheet and check the air baffles. The air baffles are what provide the low air loss and alternating pressure for therapy, and each one is connected to the control unit and the manifold through these quick connectors. So you can see, pop in and out easily. This is also a source for troubleshooting, which I will reiterate again later. But when inflating, checking all those before operating will always lead to better success. When hooking up the mattress itself, it does not matter which orientation the plugs go in. They're going to go right into the side here. This is also your CPR disconnect too, in the event that you need to deflate the mattress quickly. Squeeze in and pull out. So we're going to plug those back in, and then there's also one other tube to plug in for the alternating pressure. Once that is done, make sure obviously the control unit is plugged in. There is a main power switch on the side. I'm going to turn that on. And then there is also a power switch on the front that turns it from standby to operational mode. As you can see, it is going to fill up quite rapidly. In terms of settings, the control unit is very easy to use. There is a soft, firm control with numbers 1 through 10. On top of the control unit, you will see a chart that displays the corresponding unit based on the patient weight. So for example, a patient who is in the 250 to 330 pound range would be on step 4. I just use the arrow to go up to step 4. If a patient does require softer or firmer mattress, you can adjust this. We recommend one step at a time. Give it about 10 minutes before making another adjustment to allow the pressure to change within the cells. The modes are static, which would mean all of the cells are the same. Pulsate, which provides a pulsing quick therapy, and the alternating pressure, which is the recommended setting. That is a cycle time that starts at 3 minutes and can go up to 95 minutes. So again, it is recommended to be in the 12-minute range to provide the maximum pressure relief. Once those settings are done, we recommend that you lock out the control unit. One push will lock it out, and then the other buttons will not be functional. In order to unlock it, hold for 3 to 5 seconds. The auto firm feature can be used if you need a firm surface to work with the patient or transfer them. Hitting the auto firm surface is going to make all of the cells nice hard pressure. To turn that off, just push the button again and it will revert back to the previous settings. If you do not revert back to the other settings, after half an hour the control unit will automatically go back to the prior settings in the event that someone forgets to hit that. There is also an alarm silence button. In the event that something happens that trips an alarm, you hit that to silence the alarm while dealing with the issue. In terms of troubleshooting, if you do have an alarm situation, check the power, being the first foremost. Make sure that it's plugged into a working power source that is not on a light switch or anything of that nature. Make sure the power is on both on the side and the front. If you do hear the control unit operating, you want to check the inside, which means unzipping, and as I said, checking the air cells, because that would cause the pressure leak. This can happen if the patient sits on the edge of the bed just the right way and pops them out. And then the final feature on this mattress is the heel flotation system. This controls the bottom 4 baffles. It's a manual knob. By turning once, you release 10% of the air, twice 25%, and 3 times is 50% of the air from the bottom 4 baffles, which then floats the heel if you need to offload the heels additionally, as opposed to the rest of the mattress. As always, if you have any additional questions or concerns, our number is live 24 hours a day. It can be reached at 866-678-6300. Thank you.